Hakaski rakie kejingdap san pulai senam kejela Meghalaya haka arpuai teri ukula lengkot arja arpusan Menteri Rangba kejela konrad ke sangma ula plipat baru yau Mawnongrim bantai ya ke Secreatriat wathamai Home Sauli New Shillong kepala Mang tingkah do siejar sispa prapupra Klur. Hakatai kesngi layadon lang dau ba prestun tensong usumbut Menteri Rangba ubat sniau bahalang dhar sembut Menteri Rangba ki Menteri Sorkar ki bekentup yau Abu Tahir Mondal ke Dr. Amperin Lingdo u Marquis and Marak baru ba coming one ambon nalor kiwe de. Habakran Menteri Rangba ula pentip baya ke Secretariat wathamai ansatai haka jaka ke bahek kumba san pulai ekar bat antai haringkat ke Directorate Campus lingba artli ki face. Menteri Rangba ulaong baka Sorkar kala donjing temu ban kenshow hadu san hajar san spak Klur ban penroy yaki benta ke New Shillong kentup ya ke sipo hajar Klur baka Sorkar kadang penkret.
For the state of Meghalaya is a unique confluence of the state's cultural identity and its futuristic vision to emerge as a benchmark for sustainable development. This new complex is set to foster the image of the new aspiring Meghalaya to the country and the world.
We would be standing here today, laying the foundation stone for this new Secretariat building, and seeing that video which showed the actual design. This is not a video that's been made out of AI. This is an actual design of the real building that is going to come up out here, which has taken us more than a year to actually finalize. So friends, it is an honor to be here today, to be part of this celebration of Meghalaya Day, and more importantly, setting the foundation for the future generations to come. A lot of people who always have a lot of things to say about the government, criticize sometimes, may question this new secretariat, while so many other areas need a lot of investments to be made. But as you can see from today's program, the different flagship schemes that we have shown and we have sanctioned money for, transferred money. This government is working towards overall development of our state. The Secretariat coming here, it's not about just a building and a construction that's going to happen. It's the expansion of the city of Shillong, which I feel should have been worked and planned out a long time back. Many individuals in the past have started the process, but I strongly feel that we are now taking a major step towards actually seeing it happen.
Nalor kini Menteri Rangba ulah pelat pat baru ya ke skim ke bakot Henry pulai Klur tingka na ke benta ki Henry hajar ngot ki badai na ke CM Elevate Focus Green Meghalaya Plus bat ki projek ke kam jungok kai perthai nalor kiwei.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukam shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya